In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eSignature in Google Workspace, Docs Drive. We'll walk through preparing your document, starting an eSignature request, placing the right fields, and sending it off for a secure digital signature, all inside Google Docs and Drive. This is great for contracts, agreements, or any document that needs a quick sign-off without printing or scanning. Start in Google Drive. From here, you can create a new Google Doc by choosing New, then Google Docs, or simply open an existing contract you've already saved. If you're starting from scratch, make sure your document is clean and clearly labeled. Leave space near the end for signatures and dates so it's obvious where people should sign. With the document open, go to the top menu and click Insert. From that menu, choose eSignature, then select Request eSignature. When you do this, a panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is your control center for the entire signing process. In the sidebar, add your signer or signers by entering their email addresses. Type carefully and double check spelling so your request reaches the right inbox. If you also need to sign the document, add yourself as well. When the list looks correct, click. Next, to continue, now you'll place the fields that tell each signer exactly what to do. Click in the document where a signature should appear, then add a signature field for the signer's signature, a date field, so the signing date is captured, and a name field if you want their full name recorded as text. Drag each field to fine-tune the position, and align them with any signature lines you've included in the document. Keep a little space between fields so everything is easy to read and nothing overlaps. Before sending, take a quick moment to review. You can include a custom message to explain the context, deadlines, or any special instructions. This helps your signer know what they're approving. If reminders are available, set them to gently nudge signers who haven't finished. When everything looks good, click Send Request. Your signer will receive an email invitation, open the document, review it, and sign digitally. The process is straightforward on their end, and once they're done, the document is finalized with their e-signature and date captured. That's it. You've requested an e-signature right inside Google Workspace without leaving your doc or juggling extra tools.